this chapter, human health and disease, one more thing is discussed, that is drugs and alcohol abuse. Even though it's not at the starting point, it's not a disease, but during a prolonged run, it just takes the shape of disease and it causes the damage more than any disease. How? Because in a disease, only the patient or the person who is having disease, that person is going to get suffered. But during this ailment or this problem of drug abuse and alcohol abuse, apart from that person who is taking these things, all those people who are in contact with that person, like their family, their friends, their well-wisher, they all get suffer, both emotionally, financially, as well as in society also. Certain times they get in mesh because of this drug abuse and the alcohol abuse. So being a bio teacher, it's my suggestion, in your vicinity, if any kind of such condition is prevailing, try to eradicate these things from your society as much as you can. Else try to create awareness and just prevent others from just going into the wrong direction. Before proceeding further, one thing I just want to share, what could be the reason for drug abuse. This we will discuss later on also, but since the starting of the chapter, it should be there in our brain that what could be the reason for drug abuse, that people are just ready to just exploit their life, ready to exploit their family, ready to just exploit everything just only to take these things, that also not free of cost, by paying certain amount of money. In purchasing certain drugs, minimum amount of money is just given, while in purchasing other kind of drugs, a large amount of money is being spent. So let's see what could be the reason for drug abuse. The reason for drug abuse which we study or we just observe in society, it varies from person to person. Like in childhood stage, it occurs due to that wrong company. Then during that particular adulthood stage, it could be due to failure in just fulfilling our dreams. So in order to get that artificial pleasure, drugs are being taken. Third case, by getting motivated through elder ones, like when we see our elders to be consuming tobacco and that other things, we just say that if the father or the mother is taking, then why not we? Then it might be possible certain people in the society, those who want to prevail these things in the society so that they can get profit. That also that thing could also be there. Like in advertisement, we can see people are just taking these drugs more and more, whether it's a television, movie or anything, serials. Even though everyone knows that these drug abuse are bad, then also no one is stopping these advertisement over the television or movies. Only when that logo comes that the consumption of drug is not good for the body, it's just only for entertainment or just for that, it's just the part of the scene. But that part of the scene, what does it create in the brain of the child, that matters. So we should look after that, how it can be banned. It can be banned throughout the country by government, but probably due to certain issues it is not done, but probably it is not creating a good future for our country also, because most of the people are just spoiling their life due to this drug. I'm just sharing one experience with you all before proceeding to the chapter, which I have just seen, that one man who was just recently married, he was just married for 2 to 3 years. What happened? He was just addicted to the drug. Why he was addicted to the drug? I'm just telling you the story, what happens in the society. What happens, probably that man was not having his father. His father has died during the early stage. That man fell into the wrong company, from where he has learned just taking the drugs, and the person who used to give the drug, probably he or she could be the friend, or they just wanted to earn certain profit. And what happened, that person has taken the overdose of drug, and that person's body was lying, I'm saying that body was lying in one of the drainage because of the overdose of the drug abuse. And his that newlywed wife, who was just 2 or 3 years old, just their marriage, what happened, she has become widow, and that man, because of the wrong company, because of having the wrong people around him, that person has spoiled his life. Even though that person was very much active probably in his daily life doing the work, but that drug abuse, that certain time of pleasure or the entertainment has spoiled whole life. Then the excuse can come that so many people are taking, they are not getting die. So the thing is that so many people are taking, it might be possible their immunity, it might be possible the kind of food they are taking, it might be possible they are taking not that much amount, but whole sole thing is to avoid these things and let these things to be till the medicinal property, and it should not be exceeded to the entertainment or that abuse property. Anything in excess is just abuse, whether whatsoever, like whether it is study, whether it is just having food, having water, anything, excess of anything is harmful. Same is with the drug, and drug is really, it's a very much harmful. Let's start the chapter, this drug abuse chapter, not topic, drug abuse and the alcohol abuse. Here I have written drugs, name of drugs. Here receptor, that means the point where they just reacts to just stimulate their action. Then here common name is mentioned because here the name of the scientific name is given. What we call it as in common language, that is written there. Then how these drugs are taken inside the body, affect which part or how the body is going to get affected, and the plant part from which it is derived. This topic is very much informative as well as sensitive also for me, at least, because I have seen many people spoiling their life just because of these drug abuse. And what happened in most of the cases, why I am telling you a lot, because in most of the cases I have seen that family members, even though they are knowing and they can take the strict action, they ignore these things. Why they ignore these things? Because they think that the person is taking, that person will get die, what is going to get to us? But the thing is that being the member of society, you are letting your family member to get die because of the drug abuse, and you are not doing anything, or the friend or the company of the person, everything. And let's start. Opioids, commonly these opioids, इसका scientific name यहाँ दिया है. Commonly these are known as, not opioids but this plant is commonly known as afim, which I have written there in Hindi. It's commonly known as afim. आपने सुना होगा that person consumes afim. In television movies also we see a lot of advertisement which is showing the person taking the drugs, and they just certain time they show it as a good habit also. But let's see where are the receptors of these drugs. Then opioid receptors, that means opioid chemical है उसको receive करने वाला जो receptor means सेल के अंदर कुछ particular प्रोटीन या पॉइंट्स होते हैं जहां से वो पर्टिकुलर केमिकल अंदर जा पाएगा. आपको पता है ना, अगर मेम्ब्रेन इज सेमी परमेबल, इट विल नॉट अलाउ ऑल द थिंग्स टू गो इनसाइड एंड ऑल द थिंग्स टू गो आउट. सो फॉर just passing this thing inside the cell, which receptors are there? Opioid receptors are there, but these opioid receptors are not found throughout the body. They are found at certain places. What are these places? CNS, central nervous system, you have studied, brain and the spinal cord, and the gastrointestinal system, यानी पेट में जो आपका गैस्ट्रो मीन्स स्टोमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन पेट और स्टोमक जो आपका आ जाएगा, दैट प्लेस इज देयर रिसेप्टर्स आर देयर फॉर ओपोइड्स. Then what is the common name for opioid? It is, I think you have just studied that. It's commonly called as SMAC, which is chemically diacetyl morphine. Then what is the texture of this SMAC? I think in television I have seen, you might have also seen it there only. It's white in color, colorless, white in color. Here odorless होगा, I have written colorless. It's odorless. Odorless means it would not be having any smell. White, odorless, and यहाँ पे है colorless. That means as it is transparent, that's why it is colorless also. Then it is bitter in taste. When those who consume this drug, it's having which kind of taste? it's having bitter taste, that थोड़ा सा कड़वा टेस्ट होगा इसका. Then how this drug is taken, so I think you all have just seen in television only how do they take this smack. Either they take orally, they have kept in the mouth, taken inside the body, or the injection of smack also come, which is put in the body. Then affect, how does smack affect the person's body? It is depressant, it slows down body function. Depressant means it just slows down the nervous activity. Suppose a person is in extreme depression, that's what they're saying, those who are in extreme depression, those who see that abuses in their family, that father is beating their mother, mother and father are fighting, they are living separately. So that time, to relieve from that stress, they take the drug which slows down their nervous activity and the person feel relaxed. It's a though temporary pleasure of relaxation, but it gives that. So what we say function is that. Then how it is prepared? It is prepared from the latex of the poppy plant. Latex means when you pluck the plant, from that plant you can see certain white colored liquid comes out. Like in that madar plant you must have seen, usko todne pe white color ka liquid aata hai. So that is the latex, from that it is prepared. This is the way how smack is prepared. The next thing is there cannabis या cannabinoids. Cannabis sativa से जो केमिकल मिलता है that is the cannabinoids. Cannabinoids या cannabis sativa जो है, इस प्लांट को आप प्रॉपर्ली किस नेम से जानते हो? थ्रू भांग. आई थिंक आई हैव रिटन दिस हियर भांग. इसमें जो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं कैनाबिनॉइड केमिकल को रिसीव करने के लिए होंगे, तो दैट रिसेप्टर्स आर कॉल्ड एज अ कैनाबिनॉइड्स. वेयर दीज आर फाउंड? दीज आर फाउंड इन ब्रेन. Here I have written sports person. Sports person means that sports for those who are in sports and they want to increase their efficiency to just win the particular sport, they take this drug abuse to enhance their overall activity in particular sports. Then common name marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. I think you are familiar with these terms, charas, ganja and marijuana, hashish. How it is taken? It is taken inhalation. They say like it is burned, then its smoke is taken, or it is just oralization. They have kept in the mouth and they have just taken that. Effect. What is the effect? It affects on the cardiovascular activity. Cardiovascular activity means you can relate it to that. It is going to increase the blood flow in the body. Cardio means heart, vascular मतलब उसमें जो blood flow हो रहा है. It will increase the blood flow, so the person will feel extreme energetic, extreme powerful. That person was low in energy. Then as the person is taking cannabinoids, it feels extreme energy, बहुत ज़्यादा energy आ जाएगी. But that energy is for certain duration. After that time, what will happen? We know any organ failure or death, or is falling of the life of whole people around that person, along with that person. Then how it is derived? It is derived from the inflorescence of the plant cannabis sativa. In inflorescence, which part can be used? Flower, leaves, the different parts of the plant are used there. Inflorescence, buds, that are used there. Next, drug which is being abused in the society is coca alkaloid or cocaine. Coca alkaloid or cocaine is taken in the body. Its receptors are found in central nervous system, CNS. Common name is coke or crack. It is called coke or crack, cocaine. That drug it is. How it is taken? It is snorted. इसको तो सबने जरूर देखा होगा in the movies. They show basically in previous movies it was shown by that villains. अब तो hero को दिखाते हैं. But you should take good message. Avoid these wrong messages from in the name of entertainment. I will say that. How it is taken is snorted. I think you have seen over the surface they just keep certain powder and they just close their doors and they just smell करते हैं. So they just snorting, that means taking in through smell, and so that it can reach to the receptors. Snorted के through इसको ले लिया. Then it is just given their effect. कहाँ पे effect करेगा? Interferes the neurotransmitter dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter which gives the sense of pleasure. वो dopamine is there. तो उसकी क्या करेगा, उसके को ट्रांसमिट करने में इंटरफेयर करेगा, then it can cause feeling of euphoria. What is the feeling of euphoria? की feeling में क्या होगा? In that what will happen, the person who is just taking these drugs, suppose that person wanted to become doctor, so that person will feel कि he or she is doctor, and they will feel extreme pleasure that everything is nice in the society, even though tsunami and that earthquake is coming in the world, but they will feel that everything is nice. So that thing is the feeling of euphoria, यानी कि आपको सब कुछ अच्छा लगेगा. If that till that duration, the effect of drug is there. That's why those who are in depression, those who are having certain problems, those who are addicted, they take this drug. The next one is here. Those who take this cocaine, I have written here these points. Increase energy. They will feel that they are extremely energetic. Even they can do those tasks which in the normal condition they cannot do. Further is the hallucination. Hallucination means mati bhram. Mati bhram in the sense, suppose the person who has taken the drug, that person has lost someone very close to him or her, like their guardian or anything else. So now what happened during hallucination, they will start seeing that person, or certain time they just make imaginary friend, that my friend is standing there, he or she is my friend, जो भी है, or they just start speaking to the object and they will perceive the object as a life. मति भ्रम हो जाना, that thing will occur as a hallucination. From where it is derived? It is derived from the parts of the plant Erythroxylum coca, which is native to South America. From South America it has originated, native to South. Native मतलब कहाँ का है, तो South America का है. It is about the coca alkaloid या cocaine जो हमने पढ़ा. Apart from that, list of two plants is given there. Atropa belladonna and Datura plant. What is unique about Atropa belladonna and the Datura plant is that they both exhibit hallucination property. यानी इसमें भी क्या होता है, मति भ्रम होता है. एंड एज आई गेस यू ऑल हैव स्टडीड दिस थिंग इन हिंदी. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, अलंकार में शायद पढ़ा होगा आपने, अलंकार आई थिंक बोलते हैं. कनक कनक ते सौगुनी मादकता अधिकाय, या खाए बोराए नर या पाए बोराए. यानी कि इसमें कनक की दो बार यूज हुआ है, दो मीनिंग है. वन कनक मीन्स धतूरा एंड अदर कनक मीन्स gold. So that kanak kanak te sauguni madakta adhikay ya khaye boraye nar ya paye boraye, that is this dhatura which was taught to you in Hindi alankar. So I have done with this topic. Again I am leaving the board for you for 1 minute. Note down the key points, underline these points in your notebook, otherwise note down in your copy or book, wherever you find applicable. Just see the board. As I guess you all have noted down the key points here. Just learn it properly. All these points which I am explaining you, these all are important from your board exam point of view as well as NEET point of view, plus the most in personal life of yours and the people who are in touch with you, with whom you can share your this valuable knowledge.